13A. The table shows the prices of entry tickets for theme park. The number of adult tickets sold were 6 times the number of child tickets sold. 4/5 of the adults tickets sold were for adults aged below 65 years old. A total of $9,464 was collected from the sale of tickets. What fraction of the tickets sold were for adults aged 65 years and above? Give your answer in the simplest form. Okay, so from the question itself, the number of adult tickets sold was 6 times the number of child tickets. So that means the total adults over here is 6 and the child is 1. Then from here, 4/5 of the adult tickets sold were adults aged below 65 years old. So 4/5 of the adults. So that means, if you were to look over here, 4/5, right? Total below 65 years old is actually 4 parts. So below 65, which is this, 4 part. And then above 65 is not 5, it's actually 1. Because it says here 4/5. So remainder is 1. 1 part, that means the total adults is 5 part. Okay, from here, what do you think is the final ratio? So if you were to add another row over here, from 6 units to 5 parts, then we need to find the lowest common multiple, which in this case is 6 times 5, which is 30. That means the child is 1 times 5 is 5. And then for the adult that is above 65, we will times 6 is 6. And then this is 4 times 6 is 24. So give your answer in the simplest form. What is the fraction? Adults tickets sold for adult age 65 plus. Or 65 and above. In this case is adults aged 65 and above out of total. So we need to find the total tickets. So total tickets according to table is 30 plus 5, or adult plus child equal to 30 plus 5 equal to 35. Then the adults age 65 and above according table equal to 6. So that means adults age 65 and above is 6 out of 35. Right, there you go. Question 13, part B. What was the total number of tickets sold? So we can use the grouping concept. So that means one group has 6 child or children plus adults, that is 24 adults that is below 65 years old, then plus 6 adults that are above 65 years old. Then we can just calculate. So 6 times, so child is 10 plus 24 times 24 plus 6 times 17. And then this will give us, sorry, not 6 children, 5 children. So that will give us $728 for one group, which is the total of how many tickets? 5, 24, 35, right? 35. So now we need to find the number of group, which is equal to, so we know the total, 9464 divided by 728. And this will give us 13 group. So that means total tickets is equal to 13 times. So one group, how many tickets do we have? 35. And this will give us 455 tickets. Okay, there you go. So that's the answer.